Starlighters, it's Captain Starlight here. Guess what? Today, my toilet paper grew a face and legs and started bounding around the room. No, my toilet was not haunted. I was just doing some awesome fun crafts. Want to join in?
All you need is a toilet roll. I mean a leftover toilet roll. Scissors, sticky tape, and some pencils or textures. I think we're ready to make a rocking rolling reindeer. So why don't you hit like and subscribe before we begin? First, snip the end of the toilet roll. I recommend doing this at a table and not in the toilet. Next, cut a piece of paper around the same width, but a little bit longer than the toilet roll. Fold it in half and draw a U shape at the end of the paper. And cut it out. This is your reindeer's back and front legs. Now sticky tape or glue it on the roll. Draw your reindeer's head and colour it in. Then cut it out and stick it on the body. And now you've got a rockin' rollin' reindeer. Warning, your rolling reindeer is not to be used as toilet paper.